Hello everyone, Namaste. I would like to start with a short story. Once, an enthusiastic layman got an opportunity to be the one-day king. In past, he was successful in making people believe that the present development policies of the present king are slow and old. So he started his day as a king by changing the policies. He decreased the taxes, increased subsidies, permitted the forest land for commercial use, increased surplus minings, hikes in salaries, and offered free food and water to the people. At the end of the day, his popularity was grown exponentially, and people were so happy with his performance that they were willing to replace the king with this layman. The king called a meeting, and after discussing with his ministers to prevent the revolt like situation, the king increased and extended the tenure of the layman for a year. First 3 months were so good, and people witnessed the dramatical growth. But after sometimes the kingdom treasury started running out, and then people also witnessed the historical unbalance in the economy. Increased inflations, decreased the efficiency of human youth, and lowered the groundwater level, environmental changes, all the thing burgeoned at the same time. Now, people finally realized that the layman was only working to improve his own performance and compromised with sustainability. And they also regretted because the previous king was working for a stable and everlasting development. From the above story, we can understand how growth and sustainability are relatable. The United Nations defines sustainable development as meeting our own goals without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own goals. The term sustainable was first used in 1970s, and in this quality month the theme is sustainability, because quality and sustainability both have a unique relationship. We can define quality as a measure how our how good a product or service meet the requirement, but the sustainability is to get the quality for so over a time. If we, in brief, we can understand that the quality enables us to achieve the requirements now, but the sustainability ensures that the requirements achieved will be achieved tomorrow as well. In deeper, if we let's go and get an idea about how we can improve our product, people, and environment with the above concern. uh, Suppose take an idea that a manufacturing plant receives a new type of product order. After R&Ds and trials, preparing so many check sheets and process parameters, the plants achieves the quality and dispatch it so over a time. After a certain long period, the people of the plant gets used to and starts carelessness in their work. This is the typical human psychology that the human easily gets used to, and this time the quality starts declining. So, to get the consistent quality, we have to work continuously on the morale of our people. If we work on the morale of our people, we will be able to achieve the efficient use of material and reduce the scrap. This is how we can also use the resources of mother nature efficiently and make an effort to save the environment. Next time when we will doing something or some work, we should ask ourselves, the work I am doing, is it sustainable? Are we the one day king or an eternal emperor? Thank you so much.